Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get Ocean Streams to your Firestick or Android TV. Ocean Streams is an app that a lot of people use to watch movies or TV shows online. Here I had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you what's actually available in the app, but trust me, you are going to like it. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get Ocean Streams to your Firestick. So first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. It's actually free to download from the official Amazon App Store, so you just need to go to search on your device, click on that magnifying glass, then select the search bar, open it, and start typing Downloader in the search. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings, and let's do it right now. Here's the button which we need to click on with the gear icon. Then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now, and if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it, and here you'll find the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, cause they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN total for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your computer or your mobile phone, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you 3 months of service for free. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now you gotta open the Downloader application, wait until it loads, then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, and here in that search bar, you have to enter a code, which is going to be 28907 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you have to click on Go. Now, in a couple of seconds, the website is going to open up for you. And when the website has opened, we need to scroll down a bit until we find a list of categories. Here it is, and from the list of categories, you need to click on Movies and TV. So let's click on it. Then you gotta scroll down until you find Ocean Streams here. And there it is, Ocean Streams. Let's click on it because that's exactly what we're looking for. Then a new web page is going to open up, which you also have to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button right here. Let's click on it, and then some kind of ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, Do not click on open because that would mess everything up. Instead, click on close to close down the ad and wait until the download starts. Usually it doesn't take long, and of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, that happened really quickly. The app was downloaded. Now we just need to click on install and wait until Ocean Streamz is installed to our Firestick device. After that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we really do not need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we saved you some space on your Firestick. After that, go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV, open it, scroll down, and there's the Ocean Streamz, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button of 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Ocean Streamz is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected and set up to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use my link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of service totally for free. Enjoy and subscribe my channel for more content on Firesticks. Bye bye.